the Boss. And this is the power light, and it's a 1400 watt, so it's a powerful machine. And now you'll have seen the other video that we did, the old Turbo 2. That's knackered now, so we just got a new one come in and test it out. Oh, it's stiff as well. Very little use, this one. A few years old now, it just doesn't do much work. So we'll plug it in and see what it's like. And bear with me. The wire's on the side on this one, so turn it that way around. Oh dear. Trying to do it one-handed as well, so it's not always easy. This is for all you vacuum fans out there. There's quite a few. There is quite a few videos on YouTube, believe it or not, of people's vacuum cleaners. Believe it or not, it's quite strange, I know, but there you go. Plug it in, and just start it up. You start up with your foot. This one, you push the button, away it goes. Oh, it's powerful. Let's just start it up. Take it up one to the... That's gone. That's better. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.